Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ivy from China. Today I will introduce you a new BGA machine. Here is the machine. As you can see, this machine is manual one, has 3 heating jolt, infrared, up and down. Up and down are both hot air. Here is the multiple areas which we can put on the machine to rework. This slide can move the motherboard easily when you fix the motherboard on the machine. Machine have six piece universal Gs and 6 piece hot air nozzle. The hot air hand can move front and back, up and down, and also we make the vantage design with the laser precision. This laser precision can help you fast the location the chip which you want to rework. And also our machine here, the emergency button, we make a very strong protect plastic here. And also the down heater we can adjust. We have the suction pan to pick up the chip after you rework, after you remove the chip. This is the cooling fan, and this button is to control the infrared panel, infrared heating panel. If your motherboard is very small like this one, and then you don't need to open all the infrared heating panel. This is the working light. You can start the machine on the touch screen. Also, you can start the machine by this button. This is all the details of this machine. Why you need this machine? Please send the information to me. I will send more details to you because this machine really can help you to make more work on the rework. This machine can help you rework on BGA components like laptops, industry computers, automotive ECU board, any electronic board. You can use this machine to rework. And we are the factory. We can provide you good quality, good price, and good service. Thanks for watching my video. There is all the information. Please send me email by my profile to get more details. That's all. Thank you.